What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We have another review today. I know I said I wasn't gonna buy any more makeup, but of course TikTok made me buy the new elf, what is it called? We'll get into that in a second, but if you're new here, welcome to the family. We do a little bit of everything, like I always tell you guys: makeup, lifestyle, beauty. I got it all for you. So today I have my elf, some new products from elf. First of all, let's get into, you guys have me up close and personal today. I'm seeing everything on the monitor, like all these breakouts. It's about to be that time of the month. My skin is a little bit breaking out. I know it seemed a little worse than it is. I feel like because of the camera quality, you can literally see my soul right now. So I picked up a couple new products from elf Cosmetics. If I'm not mistaken, the last review I did on my channel was some elf products. I know I reviewed the elf powder foundation. So I reviewed the elf powder foundation a couple months back. I will link that video up here. But elf came out with a new under foundation product. I have not opened the box yet, so this is gonna be my first impression, first swatch, first trial. But it came out a couple weeks back, or a couple months by now, and everybody was comparing it to the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. I think so, if I'm not mistaken. But I have not tried anything from Charlotte Tilbury, and at first I was like, do I need this? What if I buy the wrong shade? But elf is so affordable that I was like, I'll just get the 2 deepest shade and see if they match. Especially coming up on winter, I feel like, one, I like lightweight, well, I wouldn't say lightweight products, but you want your skin to have a little glow. So I feel like this product is kind of perfect for the fall winter vibes. And yeah, of course, seeing it all over TikTok, all the comparison, all the swatches, all the trials, seeing every little thing. It was sitting in my cart for a few weeks, so I finally decided a couple weeks ago, about 2 weeks ago, to go ahead and purchase it, and my package just got here. So FedEx took a minute to get here, but enough rambling. Let's open up the box. Like I said, this is my first impression, first trial, first everything. So let me figure out how to open this box without breaking off my nails. You can't see, but this is everything that I grabbed. You know how elf is. I just feel like whenever it's like something like this, I have to get enough to get free shipping. So we're gonna go through what I got real quick before I get into this review. So let's see what they have in here. This is a new brush. They put this one little brush in this big old box. Like, seriously? Could have just threw it in there like this. So this is a new brow lift applicator. I picked up a brow gel. It's kind of like, I feel like this is going to be a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel that I've been seeing in the jar. It looks like it has a stronger hold than what I already have. elf has a nice way of just creating quality dupes. So I was like, let me just pick up the affordable product, see how it is, and then if I still want to get the Anastasia one later on, I can. So I'm going to try this out today too. So this is the little brush to apply that. I think these were free samples, or yeah, I think this was a free sample. It's a acne calming water cream, so I think it's like a moisturizer. It has 1% salicylic acid, acne treatment with 4% niacinamide. So some good ingredients, clean, vegan, cruelty free. So yeah, it's a lightweight moisturizer, so I want to give that a try. And this one is their daily cleanser, also a sample size. I love brands that when you're buying something else, you can add a couple of samples to it, so you can, you know, try a couple things out. So let me open up these so I can see what they look like. So they come in this little bubble wrap bag. I'm just popping things left and right. Ooh. So this is what the first one looks like. Focus on the product, not on me. All right, there you go. So it is the elf Halo Glow Liquid Filter. So something like this you're able to wear on its own, but mostly under your foundation, so you can get that little extra glow. So I want to try it both ways, see how it is by itself, and then see how it is once I put a foundation on top. All right, so here's the second shade. I'll get into what shade this is, but I think this is the lighter one. So this one is number, where's the number at? Shade number 7 and shade number 8. So big difference right away. I think I'm definitely the deepest shade, but we're gonna swatch it real quick and see what it looks like. So shade number 7 is considered to be deep, rich, intense. Again, I feel like the deep and the rich get thrown away. Not thrown away, but I feel like those two words get thrown around so easily. So if you watch my other review, you know how I feel about that. Because I feel like a lot of these shades are not actually rich and deep. So love e.l.f., but it can be a little tricky with these shades. Technically, if I'm shopping and I was just gonna buy one shade, I would probably think to pick number 7. Because in my opinion, again, I am not the deepest person out there. So I wouldn't think like to get the deepest shade. For the sake of this review, I did, but for you, the consumer, or for us, the consumer buying it, just to buy it. So let's see. So, seen a lot of people talk about the applicator. It is pretty big. There you go. Pretty big. You can apply it straight to the face. So let's do a little swatch. Hold on. Let's do a little swatch on the back of my hand right here. So that is what that shade number 7 look like. Oh, my hands are dry. But that is what it looks like. So it is not my perfect shade. Another thing I like to do is to match my foundation to my chest. So let me just put it on my chest and see. So it's a nice color, but it's definitely not my exact skin shade. But I feel like if you mix it with something, if you mix it with maybe a foundation that's too dark or something like that, then it won't be that bad. So let's open up shade number 8 and see what that is looking like. They seal this thing. All right, give it a little shake, and let me do the same thing. Same applicator, put it right next to it. And yeah, there you go. That is a deeper shade for sure. But I feel like, of course, they could go a little deeper. Let me add it to my chest as well. Yeah, that is definitely way closer to my skin tone. All right, so we're going in, guys, going in. We're gonna try under the foundation on by itself what it would look like. So that is one swipe. On my face, it definitely looks lighter. Let's just put it there. And actually, I think I want to try my finger on one side and then I'll wash it off and see. So let's go in. Okay. It blends right into the skin. So it's not a foundation for sure. So I don't know if you're gonna wear this on its own for coverage, this is not gonna really give you coverage. But if you're wearing it on its own for the glow, then yeah, for sure. Again, my skin is very textured right now, but in the mirror, it does look really good. But I feel like I can get this glow just from my skincare because I'm not getting coverage, I'm just getting glow. So let's go ahead and just blend the other side. So what do you guys think? Do you think I got some color from it? Even out the skin tone, or do you feel like you just see the glow? I don't know. I feel like I just see the glow. It feels really good. It feels lightweight. Feel like I just put on skincare, so that's good. It blends right into my skin. You can tell if it's lighter or darker. It just absorbs into the skin, which is nice. But I don't feel like there is anything special with wearing it by itself. And again, that's probably because I'm just used to getting this effect from my skincare, or this effect from the Fenty Skin Tune Blur. Maybe that's why. But if you've never tried any of those products and you're new to like a liquid highlighter type of thing, liquid glow, then it's good. I like it. So let me see. e.l.f. foundation that I've had for a while. Been a long time since I used it, but I'm gonna put it on top and just kind of see how that like glow shines through. And yeah, let's see how it looks. So this is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, oil-free satin finish. I'll be pretty curious to see what this would look like on the, let's say, a foundation that is too matte and you just kind of want to lighten it up a little bit. I think that would probably look really good too, but I really don't have a super matte foundation, because even this NARS Soft Matte I feel like is not too matte, but I'll definitely pair it with that and see how it looks. I'll try to do a reel or TikTok or something using that under that. But yeah, I probably should have definitely did one side with number 7 and one side with number 8 to see what it looks like. Let's put a dab, and I mean a light dab of number 7. See, that is way too light. Way too light. But let's just try number 7 on my forehead to see if it blends in. It does blend in, but I can definitely see that it is lighter. Especially on the camera, it's picking up the lightness of it. But it's not the worst. And by e.l.f. is pretty dark or pretty spot on in terms of shade for me. So let's see what that looks like. So that's the shade color. See, that is deep. Let's go over it. So, ooh, this foundation feel like it got thicker. I don't remember it being this thick. Foundation, no foundation. What do you guys think? I still see the glow, which is good. Definitely see, it feels like a natural highlighter. I like that it's under the foundation, because that's usually how I like my glow to look, a little bit more subtle. All right guys, so this is my face after foundation. No powder, no concealer, not set, nothing like that. This is what my skin looks like. I feel like it looks like my skin, but better. Of course, again, I have a little breakout going on, so my skin is not in the best shape right now, but hey, this is the reality. There's a lot of people out there with acne and dark spots and discoloration and hyperpigmentation and all the above, so I'm gonna stop being so conscious about that. But this is what the skin looks like. I think it looks pretty good. I can definitely see the glow. Some of it, I don't know if it's just from the lights. No, I definitely see it. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Didn't do too much. You guys know the drill. Lazy makeup girl. Alright, so yeah, pop a little color liner on, a little lip gloss. Let my hair down a little bit. And that's it. That's the final looks. This is more of a glowy skin product, so it really adjusts to the skin a little bit, so it's not really way off per se. So yeah, like the product. Is it life-changing? Do you need it? I wouldn't say you need it. I feel like if you have dry skin like me, who feel like you need that extra glow, and if you don't already have a product in your makeup stash that does this, then you might want to give this one a try. It's only about what, 11 bucks. For me, it's just another product. It's nothing special. I basically got it because I knew I wanted to do a review and wanted to have it and try it. Or you guys kind of saw how it just melts into the skin, but I just feel like it's nothing fancy that I needed. If you're looking for coverage to wear by itself, which is kind of what I was hoping it would do, I don't feel like it's going to give you much of any coverage. Does it provide the glow that you're looking for? Absolutely. I would definitely keep this as under foundation, and I will try it with different foundations and kind of see how they pair together, how they look together. Yeah, but if you have oily skin and you don't want that glow and you like more of a matte finish, I feel like it's subtle enough, very subtle enough to where you won't notice it, or it just give you that natural highlighter. It's not gonna be like crazy oily, I would hope. But I'm gonna keep this on for the rest of the day and see how it, you know, how it keeps up with everything. But yeah, nice, okay, don't need but I enjoyed trying it for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this little quick review. Let me know down below if you've already tried it. Will you be trying it out? What are your thoughts on the product? Have you tried any complexion products from e.l.f. Cosmetics? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. I am off to film another video, so hope I see you there. Bye, guys. I love it for infinity. Oh.